What's going on, guys? Trent Carpenter here with Home Sold Cash, and I'm going to show you basically before and afters of one of our properties that we purchased. This was in Butler Township area, so close to Vandalia, and in between Dayton. So I just want to show you the before and afters. We do purchase a lot of these homes in outdated condition. A lot of them are as is. So I want to show you kind of the befores and afters. I don't know if you're a homeowner and you just want to kind of do your own thing and you're kind of looking for ways to spruce your own house up. Maybe you have an outdated estate. Maybe you just really want to sell it. Okay. If you go through our company, you're going to be using. There's going to be no realtor commissions. We pay all the closing costs. Okay. You don't have to do any of the work. You don't have to do any of the cleaning, any of the fixing up. Okay. So we try to make it very simple and we can close pretty fast. Okay, so usually as soon as the title's clear. So let's go through this property, and I want to show you what we did to this one. Okay, so this one had a lot of landscaping needs. It needed a new roof. Luckily, all the windows were there. They were in great shape. They were pretty new. Okay, so let's go on to the next one here. Let me show you what we did. So we pulled out a lot of those bushes over here. We did end up painting the shutters. We got a brand new roof on there. We had to replace a lot of the decking, and just some red mulch to make it pop. Okay, so not too much landscaping in this one. Now this one before, I could not find the before picture. This one right here had old, basically asbestos tiling. Okay, so what we did, I hit something there. What we did is we took it up and we put in new laminate wood flooring. We have new baseboards around. You can see that the door was it was the same door. We painted that door. This one right here, all the outlets we replaced and all the cover plates throughout the house. And then we had new vents. So this flooring right here, which is in the family room, I should say, it's got like a fireplace. I would say family room. This is the same type of flooring you see here that was in the living room. Okay, so we did the same laminate wood flooring. See the ugly coloration, old sliding glass door. So this flooring right here, it's what we did throughout all the main areas of the house, and then we carpeted the bedrooms. So painted all the way through the interior here. Travis made an awesome suggestion here about using this two-tone right here for this one to really kind of make it pop. You got the new sliding glass door, goes into the new Florida room here, and you see an idea of the kitchen there. This is the master bathroom in its before condition. So obviously we gutted this entire thing, and this was the end result before we put on the new cover plate there. Ceramic tile, new vanities, new sinks, new toilets. Pretty much a lot of things people forget about are the towel racks and the toiletry items. Those are also very important. Okay, new fixtures. So this probably one of my favorites here in terms of before and afters. We do a lot of these, so we got a lot of collection, I guess, in terms of what we like. But this one, if you can see its current condition, this was actually a HUD home that we purchased, and as you can see, it needed a lot of work here. So this is one angle of it here. We put in granite. This is Sicilian countertops. Great black backsplash. Paid a little too much probably for the backsplash, but I just thought it popped really well. Stainless steel appliances, brand new cabinets. Okay, new sink. So kind of a different angle here for you guys to see. And then the kitchen here. So new stainless steel appliances, new exterior doors throughout. Okay, all the doors actually, even the interior doors, are 6-panel white throughout the house. We did add a center island piece here that kind of has rolling wheels, because really there wasn't enough room for a table in this kitchen. It kind of connects right into the family room there. So basically, we just added a center island for rolling wheels where the family can eat. So that is it, guys, on this one, before and afters. Be sure you guys drop us a like and follow on Facebook. We're going to be posting a lot of these on YouTube as well.